benefits of tomatoes. 11 reasons to eat tomatoes every day. Never underestimate the power of a little, insignificant tomato. Because of the numerous advantages they give, they are the world's most eaten vegetables. Despite having a strong nutritional profile, many of us are taken for granted. These tiny energy balls are low in calories and carbohydrates yet high in nutrients. Tomatoes provide several health advantages, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer prevention. Tomatoes are technically fruits, but their nutritional profile has led to their being classified as vegetables. They are available in a variety of hues, including yellow, green, purple, and red. In today's video, we will show you the 11 reasons to eat tomatoes every day. Please watch the video until the end and ring the notification bell, so you don't miss any videos. Number 1. It has a wide range of nutrients. Before we proceed any further, let's talk about the nutritional profile of tomatoes. A small raw tomato has around 3.9 grams of carbohydrates and 1.2 grams of fiber. Fiber is usually insoluble and can be found as cellulose or lignin. Tomatoes include a lot of vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes have enough vitamin C to meet your daily requirements. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and supports bone health. Tomatoes also contain enough vitamin B9 to support cell development and function. These vitamins and minerals are also high in lycopene, beta-carotene, naringenin, and chlorogenic acid. Number 2. Protects the heart. A heart attack is the leading cause of mortality worldwide. We tend to eat foods high in cholesterol, either purposefully or accidentally, putting our heart health at danger. But why should we be concerned when we have tomatoes in our vegetable basket? Lycopene, a plant component, is abundant in tomatoes. Heart stroke is caused by a low concentration of lycopene in the blood. Lycopene also reduces dangerous cholesterol levels in the blood. Tomatoes have significant levels of beta-carotene and flavonoids, which both protect the heart and decrease platelet aggressiveness. Finally, because lycopene is fat-soluble, it should be consumed with a little fat. Number 3. Prevents cancer. We are all aware of how terrible cancer is, but once again, thanks to lycopene for saving us from this horrible illness. Many effective studies have demonstrated that lycopene protects us against many kinds of cancer, such as prostate, lung, stomach, and ovarian cancer. Carotenoids have been discovered to have an important function in the prevention of breast cancer in women. Number 4. Enhances vision. Do you need another excuse to eat tomatoes? It will keep your reading glasses at bay for the rest of your life. Yes, you heard that correctly. Lycopene reduces the likelihood of developing age-related macular degeneration, which would otherwise result in poor vision. Lycopene protects the eyes from free radicals, which may otherwise harm them. The other 2 vital elements in tomatoes are lutein and beta-carotene, both of which help with nutrition. Tomatoes also include vitamin C and copper, both of which are healthy for the eyes. Copper creates melanin, a rich black pigment in the eyes, while vitamin C prevents age-related degeneration. Number 5. Assist in diabetes management. The value of tomatoes in diabetes management cannot be overstated. If you or a loved one suffers from diabetes, include tomatoes in your meal plans. Here's why. Tomatoes reduce oxidative stress and inflammation induced by diabetes. They offer enough amounts of vitamin E, C, and iron, which aid in the relief of diabetic symptoms. Diabetes increases the chance of having a heart attack. This is where tomatoes come in handy. They lessen the risk of heart disease and lipid peroxidation. Number 6. Improve your digestive health. A healthy gut supports excellent health. Tomatoes are high in insoluble fiber, which aids in the regular and smooth passage of food through the digestive system. Fibers are known to increase satiety and hence have a role in weight loss. Tomatoes are also high in chloride, which is an important component of digestive fluids. Lycopene aids in the prevention of stomach cancer. Tomatoes' antioxidant content also protects the stomach lining from irritation. Number 7. Reduce your chances of developing gallstones. Tomatoes also act as a kind of magical wand in the removal of kidney and gallstones. If you have gallstones or kidney stones, including tomatoes in your diet will help remove these harmful stones. Number 8. Strengthen bone. We all want to have strong bones. According to research, drinking 2 glasses of tomato juice each day strengthens bones and decreases the risk of osteoporosis. They also contain beta-carotene, which when consumed turns to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for bone formation and development. Tomatoes include vitamin C, which is essential for bone development and connective tissue production. A lack of vitamin C will result in undeveloped bones. Lutein in tomatoes promotes collagen synthesis, which aids in bone health. The presence of important vitamins, such as vitamin K and vitamin D3, improves bone metabolism and enhances bone mineral density, reducing bone fractures. Number 9. Boost your immunity. Strong immunity indicates that you have the ability to fight illnesses. A tomato-rich diet boosts the formation and function of white blood cells, which aids in the fight against infections and the prevention of free radical damage. Number 10. Reduces inflammation. Tomatoes include 3 important antioxidants: zeta-carotene, phytone, and phytofluene. These 3 antioxidants are commonly found in brightly colored veggies. They aid in the fight against inflammation and the illnesses that accompany it. Because tomato juice contains lycopene, it helps to decrease inflammation. Lycopene is an anti-inflammatory agent. According to research, tomatoes contain polycopenoids and other bioactive components that perform better than lycopene in fighting inflammation. Number 11. Increase your brain power. It's lycopene all over again. Our brains are more vulnerable to oxidative stress damage than any other organ of the body. Tomatoes come in handy here since they have a high content of lycopene, beta-carotene, and other essential antioxidants. Eat this miraculous veggie with olive oil to get the most out of it. It will assist the carotenoids in tomatoes break down in fat and be easily absorbed by the blood. Another advantage tomatoes have for our brain health is that they help with cognitive function and focus, which protects us from dementia and Alzheimer's. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to Healthdome for more videos like this. I can't grow this channel without your support. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Bye for now.